Let us discuss some practice questions of whole numbers. Which property do the following hold? So, which property is used here? 6 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 6. 6 plus 4 is 10 and 4 plus 6 is 10. So, it means we use here the commutative property. Which property is used here? Commutative property. Next is 3 plus 2 is a whole number. See, 3 is a whole number, 2 is a whole number. When we add both, then it is also becoming a whole number. So it means the closure property is used here for addition. Closure property for addition. Let us move to the next one. Add the following using suitable property and name it also. See, there are 3 numbers, more than 2, and in all we are having plus sign. So in this question we can use the associative property. Associative property can be used here. So first of all we will add up these 2 numbers, 25 plus 15, and then we will add 36 to it. 25 plus 15, that is 40. 40 plus 36, that is 76. Similarly, we can do here, we can add up these 2 numbers. How we come to know that we have to add up these 2 numbers? We will just add the ones digit first. वंस डिजिट को ऐड करके चेक करना है कि अगर 0 आ रहा है तो वो नंबर्स ही हमने ऐड करने. लाइक इन दिस पार्ट ऑल्सो 5 plus 5, 10. तो हमने ये दोनों नंबर्स उठाए थे. सिमिलरली इन दिस पार्ट 30 plus 18 plus 22. So first of all we will add 18 and 22, and afterwards we will add it up to 30. So 30 plus this will become 40. 30 plus 40, that is 70. So it is easier to solve it. Solve using distributive property. So distributive property में क्या करते हैं हम? In distributive we know A cross B plus C, and it can be solved as A cross B plus A cross C. So here we have to split one of the numbers. See, 102, ये छोटा number है. 100 plus 2, it can be split like this. So we will split this number. So it will become 360 into 100 plus 2. Now first of all we will multiply 360 with 100. Afterwards we will multiply 360 with 2. 360 multiply by 100. It will become 36,000 plus 360 multiply by 2. That will become 720. So we will add up both. So it will become 36,720. So this is the best way to solve it, by using the distributive property. Next is using distributive property we have to solve it. This is 625 into 279, 625 into 79. So in between negative sign is here. So what we can do here, we can write it down like this. 625 in both, दोनों में है, so we can write it down like this. 625 into 279, minus sign as it is रहेगा, and 79 will come here. So now we will solve the bracket first. Bracket को solve करेंगे, so it will become 200. Now it is easier to multiply 625 with 200. So it will become 1,25,000. Next is 35 multiplied by 98. Now you can split any of these two, but I want to split 98 because 98 can be written as 100 minus 2. So first of all we will multiply 35 with 100, and afterwards we will multiply 35 with 2. So it will become 3500 minus 35 twos are 70. So it will become 3430. The very easy way to use the distributive property. Next is the blanks. So let us solve these blanks. dash multiply 13 is equal to 13 multiply 18. So both are equal, so it means commutative property is holding here, so here it will become 18. Division by dash is not defined. We know division by 0 is not defined. Dash is the identity for multiplication. Multiplication की identity क्या है? If we multiply any whole number with 1, then its answer comes out to be the same number itself. So 1 is the identity for multiplication. Next is whole numbers are closed under dash and dash. So we know whole numbers are closed under addition as well as multiplication. Both the operations, whole numbers are closed under both these operations. Next is how many whole numbers are between 12 and 86. So you have to find out the how many whole numbers are in between 12 and 86. So first of all we will subtract both the numbers and we will get here 74. But we know that both the numbers should not be included. When we subtract 86 minus 12, when we subtract 12 from 86, 12 is excluded but 86 is still included there. So we will subtract again minus 1 from 74. So 73 whole numbers are there in between 12 and 86, because in between means both the numbers are not included. After subtraction you have to subtract 1 from the answer. Clear? Next is solve by suitable arrangement. Now in very first question, 25 multiply 7534 multiply 4 multiply 50 multiply 2. So all these numbers are with multiplication. So we can use in a part the associative property. We can use here the associative property. So first of all we will multiply. See, 25 4s are 100. So first of all we will multiply 25 by 4. Then see, 50 multiplied by 2 again is a 100. So we can multiply 50 with 2 and one number is left here, so we can write it down like this only. So let us multiply. 25 4s are 100 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 7534. Now it will be easy to multiply. Just write down this number and afterwards put the 4 zeros. So this way we can simply multiply these numbers. Next one is 150 multiplied by 58 plus, now in between plus sign is here, 42 multiply 15 multiplied by 10. So here we can use the distributive property. So which property we are using here? Distributive property will be used here. So first of all we will write it down, 150 into 58 plus, and we will multiply this 15 into 10, that is 150. So 150 बना देते हैं. So it will become 150 into 42. Now 150 is common in both. So what we can do here? 150 multiply by, in between 58 plus 42. Now we will add up 58 and 42. It will become 100. Now it is easier to multiply 150 with 100. So it will become 15,000. I hope you understand it. Thank you so much.